Molweni bafundi, we are now going to look at the parts of the body, the amalungu omzimba. And I'm going to give you the part of the body and also maybe a phrase or a singular or a plural form as the case may be. So here we have the word umzimba for the body. Umzimba. And if you have a pain somewhere on the body, emzimbeni. Umzimba emzimbeni. Then the head, inhloko. Inhloko, a phrase. Ndinenhloko, I have a headache. Ndinenhloko, I have a headache. If you have a pain on your head or in your head, enhloko. So inhloko, ndinenhloko, enhloko. Then the ears, singular, indlebe. Plural, indlebe. Indlebe, indlebe. I have earache, ndiqaqanjelwa yindlebe. Ndiqaqanjelwa yindlebe. Then the eyes, singular, iliso. Plural, amehlo. Iliso, amehlo. If you have something in your eyes, emehlweni. In your eye, singular, elisweni. So iliso, amehlo, emehlweni, elisweni. Your nose, impumlo. Impumlo. Empumlweni, on the nose. Empumlweni, on the nose. If you have a blocked nose, impumlo zimfixene. Impumlo zimfixene, I have a blocked nose. The mouth, umlomo. Umlomo. And you put something in your mouth, emlonyeni. Emlonyeni. So umlomo, emlonyeni. The teeth, singular, izinyo. Singular, one tooth. Izinyo. Amazinyo, teeth. Toothache in one tooth, ndiqaqanjelwa lizinyo. Ndiqaqanjelwa lizinyo. Or ndiqaqanjelwa ngamazinyo. Ngamazinyo. The tongue, ulwimi. Ulwimi. You put something on your tongue, elwimini. Elwimini. Or under the tongue, phansi kolwimi. Phansi kolwimi. The face, ubuso. Ubuso. And you have put something on your face or apply something to your face, ebusweni. Ebusweni. Ubuso, ebusweni. The lips, singular, umlebe. Umlebe. Plural, imilebe. You put lipstick on your lips, emilebeni. Emilebeni. The cheeks, singular, isidlele. Isidlele and izidlele. Isidlele, izidlele. The hair, singular, unwele, one hair. Inwele, the plural. The chin, isilevu. Isilevu. The neck, intamo. Intamo. If you have a pain in the neck, entanyeni. So intamo, entanyeni. The shoulders, singular, iliqa, 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 amaqa. Pain in the shoulder, eliqeni, eliqeni. And in the shoulders, emaqeni. Iliqa, amaqa, eliqeni, emaqeni. The chest, isifuba, isifuba. You have a pain in your chest, esifubeni, esifubeni. The breasts, ibele, singular, plural, amabele. The abdomen or stomach, isisu, isisu. Pain in the stomach, esiswini, esiswini. The wrist, singular, isihlahla, isihlahla, with the plural, izihlahla, isihlahla, izihlahla. The hand, isandla, isandla, the plural, izandla, isihlahla, isandla, izihlahla, izandla. The fingers, umnwe, singular, umnwe, plural, iminwe, iminwe. The nails, singular, uzipho, uzipho. One nail, inzipho, the nails, inzipho. The waist, isinqe, isinqe. The buttocks, impundu, impundu. And you have an injection in the buttocks, empundwini, empundwini. Your leg or legs, umlenze, singular, umlenze, plural, imilenze, imilenze. And you have a pain in your leg or legs, emlenzeni or emilenzeni. Umlenze, imilenze, emlenzeni, emilenzeni. The knee, idolo, idolo, plural, amadolo, amadolo. You have a pain in your knee, edolweni, edolweni. In your knees, emadolweni, emadolweni. The ankle, iqatha, iqatha. The plural, amaqatha, ankles. You have a pain in your ankle, singular, eqatheni, eqatheni, or emaqatheni, emaqatheni. The foot, singular, unyawo, plural, inyawo, unyawo, inyawo. You have a pain in your foot, elunyaweni, elunyaweni. In your feet, ezinyaweni, ezinyaweni. Unyawo, inyawo, elunyaweni, ezinyaweni. The toe, singular, uzwane, uzwane, plural, inzwane. The heart, inhliziyo, inhliziyo. And you have a pain in your heart, enhliziyeni, enhliziyeni. The lung, umphunga, lungs, imiphunga, punga. And you have a pain in your lungs, emiphungeni, emiphungeni. The liver, isibindi, isibindi. If you have a pain in your liver, esibindini, esibindini. The kidney, inso, kidneys, izinso, izinso. And you have a pain in your kidneys, ezinsweni, ezinsweni. The ribs, imbambo, imbambo. And you have a pain in your ribs, ezimbanjeni, ezimbanjeni, imbambo, ezimbanjeni. The spine, umqolo, umqolo. And you have a pain in your spine, emqolo, emqolo. Finally, the intestines, amathumbu, amathumbu. And you have a pain in your intestinal pain, emathunjini, emathunjini. The veins or arteries, imithambo. And you perhaps get fed intravenously, you get fed emithanjeni, emithanjeni. Amathumbu, emathunjini. Imithambo, emithanjeni. Good, that concludes then this video. Quite a lot for you to absorb. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.